Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you guys how we achieved this graduation look. I am actually very grateful to my client Dakoa for allowing me film this look. It's our graduation, and I think I recorded this video in the month of May, and this is August. Guys, I've been MIA on this channel. I'm super sorry for that. Summer is always that time of the year where I'm always very busy and I'm always all over the place. So before we get into this video, I would like to also apologize to everyone because I do not have the product list for the entire product that I used in this video. Because I recorded this in May, I cannot recall a lot of the product that I used, and I think I also lost some of the footages for like the products that I used in this video, so you guys will just have to accept my apologies. So let's get into this video because I have like really too many tips to share. So when I get to the part that I would like to share tips, I will speak. So let's do this video. So of course you guys know that the very first thing we do is our skin prep. You cannot do any makeup without skin prep, and here in the area that I live, when it is summer, it's always very hot. In fact, the summer this year was just extremely hot for us. So every single makeup I did or I am doing currently, I am making sure that longevity is very, very important to me, and also making sure that they do not sweat to the point where the makeup will just smudge or everything will just end up looking bad. One of the things I like about my client Dakoa is her facial structure, the features. Every single thing is just very easy. She's one of those people that I call the easy face. Easy face are the people that when they sit on your chair, you do not spend too much time doing their makeup. Their face is already like very pronounced, like her cheekbone is pronounced, eyebrows, our eyes, our jawline, all of these things are pronounced. What I am just doing is I'm just tracing what is already there. It's different from people that have hooded eyes and the like. So for them, it's very easy to work with their face. I think this entire makeup, I think because I was recording, I was able to do 1 hour 30 minutes. But the next day, which was I think it was our real graduation, because I think today was for our pictures, I was done in like 1 hour. That's just how easy our facial features, is easy to like trace or follow. Another thing that I'm doing for the longevity of my makeup is to first of all use my setting loose powder to set the concealer in place, and then going in with my compact powder. So the powder that I will usually use for our entire face, I then layer it on top of the loose powder. Then after layering that, then I go ahead to bake with the setting powder. That way the makeup is gonna last for a very, very long time. This summer, all of the brides that I had, one major compliment that I get is how long lasting my makeup is. Like, I don't even need to do any touch up for any of my brides, and that's just because of this particular technique. So that's a good tip right there for you guys. Another tip that I will give you is use a good setting spray. This is the airbrush spray, and honestly speaking, just like the name, it gives an airbrush finish. Every single time I spray that particular spray on any of my clients, it just melts the makeup completely. And Now, I got this glitter palette a while ago. Oh my god, I don't even know how to explain this glitters palette. It's a loose glitters, but then there's something about it. It's not chunky, it's very, very fine, but then it comes in like a buttery form, and that's one thing I like about it. It was so easy to apply. It's just the normal way you apply your normal glitters, which is you have to start with a glitter glue and then you go ahead and then you apply. But guys, do you see how shiny this particular glitters look like? Oh my goodness, after I was done with this entire look, I just kept looking at the glitters. She had to tell me that she wanted this exact look the next day, which was our graduation. Like I said, today was for our photo shoot, but she did got this exact look on our graduation day, which was basically the next day. And that was also one of the reasons why I had to record this look, because I wanted to be sure, because today I just went with the flow. And one thing I also like about my client is she is very, very down for like anything. I was like, should I use this? She said yes. Should I use this? She didn't stress me at all. She was just like, you know what, do your thing. And I was able to be very, very creative with that look, and I really enjoyed every process, everything I did during our session together. And the next day she did got the exact same look. Moving on to the eyebrows, I did carve our eyebrows before we start this makeup session. And the way I carved it, she said she didn't want me to trim the entire eyebrows or make the eyebrows very thin. She wanted a full eyebrows. So you want to ask your model or your client what they want, because some people don't want you to touch their eyebrows at all, and you have to work with it. So this is the best I could come up with, and at the end of the day I actually liked it. It was bold, it was a bit big, but it was very, very soothing. It soothed our facial structure a lot, so I didn't complain at all. One thing about my model, Dakoa, is she will vibe to anything. She made me feel very confident on the day that she came to come and do makeup. I was so happy doing her makeup because she's just very chilled, very sweet, and very playful. And I had a lovely time with this lady. asked her if she wanted her lips gloss. She was like, right away, please. And of course, you guys know that I love glossed lip. And that is that for this entire look, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. But before we go, just listen to what Dakoa has to say.
I want this same makeup tomorrow. Makeup tomorrow. Clack it. Oh my god. I love the nice. Eye. I love the eye too. I want this same eye tomorrow. Okay.